Good afternoon. Prosecutors and the defense are going back and forth today as they argue what evidence should and should not be allowed in the murder trial of two APD officers. A judge will make the ultimate decision of what will be allowed. News 13's Haley Rush has the latest from the district court. Haley?
Jessica, it's 2 months before Sandy and Perez are tried for murder, but the state today says some evidence should be off the table.
If 20 years ago a trainer told an officer that they could shoot first and let the experts come in and protect them later, that is contrary to the law and would be no excuse to wrongfully shoot a citizen.
The special prosecutor says a witness that will testify about Keith Sandy's law enforcement training at state police 20 years ago, before he was an APD officer, should not be allowed. She says the training is extremely outdated and use of force training for officers has changed over the years. Both Sandy and Perez are facing second-degree murder charges for the killing of homeless camper James Boyd in the foothills back in 2014 as he held two small knives. The defense fired back today, saying police training has not changed.
Where Ms. McGinn gets off on saying that this training has changed, this Tooler rule has changed, this isn't the way you're supposed to handle it anymore, I'm looking forward to seeing the witness that comes in to testify to that, because I've interviewed, I think, every one of their witnesses, and none of them say that.
Also today, prosecutors asked the judge to block other APD officers who testify from answering questions on the stand like, were the men acting in self-defense or was it justified? The defense told the judge officers should be able to testify with their opinions because they were at the scene that day. Now, the defense presented more motions later, like that Perez's helmet cam should be shut off and not shown to the jury right after the shooting of Boyd. Back to you, Jessica.
All right, thank you, Haley. The judge is expected to make a decision on all the motions tomorrow. We'll have a crew in the courtroom. We're getting closer to learning